Hello everyone, this is Maxim. Today's lesson will be about scales and exercises in the first position. Every position can be subdivided into the normal position and the extended position. The distance between fingers in a normal position is just half a step. And the distance between the first and the fourth fingers is a minor third. In the extended position, the distance between the first and the second fingers is the whole step. The distance between other fingers is the half step. We only use the whole step distance between first and the second fingers, due to the fact that those fingers are very well developed and it's very easy to make extension this way. So it would be very rare exception when we'll have to extend the third finger, therefore making the whole step distance between second and the third finger, or to extend the fourth finger with the whole step distance between third and the fourth finger. Again, that would be very rare exception. Let's play C major scale. I will play it in the tempo quarter note 60, and I will use half of the bow for quarter note and the whole bow for all half notes and the whole note. Make sure you prepare your bow hold. It's very important to remember before you start playing, and also keep in mind that you will have to change the angle between the bow and the string when you move from one string to another. C major arpeggio. Arpeggio is an Italian word for broken chord, in which all the notes played in a rising or descending order. In C major arpeggio, we have C, E, and G, and we will repeat those notes to cover 2 octaves. After we reach the top C, we'll go back in the reverse order. Now it is time to play our first etude. This etude was written by German composer Bernhard Romberg. I play it in the quarter note 60. I'll play the first part and then I'll play the second part, so you'll get an opportunity to play along with me. first chance to play together. Why even try to play together? It will be a bit difficult at first, because you'll have to follow the tempo, and also you will have to listen for the intonation, that is precision of your left hand. It might feel difficult at first, but it will improve your skill a lot. So I will use the metronome and I will set it quarter note 60. And after a few beats, once we get the right tempo, we will start together. How did it go? Was it difficult? Did you get lost? Did some notes sound off? Well, that's a very good idea to practice on your own and then try it again. And remember, playing cello like all other musical instruments, it's all about your technique and listening skills. So even if your technique is perfect, but your listening skills are not strong, then you might get trouble playing with other people. The etude number 2 by Bernhard Romberg. Tempo, quarter note 60. The etude number 2, the second voice, tempo, quarter note 60. is time to play an etude by another German composer of 19th century, Sebastian. Etude number 3, tempo, quarter note 60. The second voice, now you will start 2 quarter notes before me. So I will show you your entrance and then join you 2 quarter notes later. Thank you for watching. Come back to learn more.